Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2271 indicates a problem with the secondary heated oxygen sensor, HO2 circuit. This sensor plays a crucial role in measuring the exhaust gas composition and is particularly responsible for monitoring the efficiency of the catalytic converter in Honda Civic 2022 models. When the voltage output from this sensor exceeds a specified threshold during conditions where the engine should be running lean, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects this anomaly and stores the diagnostic trouble code. The sensor is typically located in the exhaust system, downstream of the catalytic converter, which allows it to assess the composition of the exhaust gases after they have passed through the converter. Accurate readings from this sensor are vital for optimizing engine performance, improving fuel efficiency, and reducing emissions. The troubleshooting process involves several systematic steps aimed at identifying the root cause of the code. The secondary HO2S, or Sensor 2, is designed to monitor the output of the catalytic converter. Its primary function is to ensure that the converter is functioning correctly by measuring oxygen levels in the exhaust gas. When the output voltage of this sensor becomes excessively high during lean conditions, a scenario where the air-fuel mixture is rich, the PCM identifies this as a potential fault. The sensor is located downstream from the catalytic converter in the exhaust system, making it critical for determining if the converter is effectively cleaning the exhaust. The abnormal voltage conditions indicate that there may be issues such as an exhaust leak, a faulty sensor, or other related faults. Correct diagnostics are important because they help to maintain engine efficiency and compliance with emissions regulations. When diagnosing DTC P2271, several potential causes should be assessed. A faulty secondary HO2S could be the primary reason, as its failure could lead to incorrect voltage readings. Exhaust leaks before the sensor may also introduce unmetered air, skewing the results. Wiring issues, such as frayed or shorted wires, can affect the signal from the sensor to the PCM. Additionally, a malfunctioning PCM might interpret signals incorrectly, leading to erroneous DTCs. Lastly, excessive fuel delivery from issues like a malfunctioning fuel injector could result in rich conditions, subsequently influencing the sensor's output. Thorough inspections of these areas are critical to pinpointing the issue effectively. The symptoms associated with DTC P2271 can significantly affect vehicle performance. One primary indication is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard, signaling the driver to investigate further. Additionally, drivers may notice poor fuel efficiency as the engine struggles to maintain proper air-fuel ratios. Rough idling can also occur. The engine may feel unstable when at rest due to incorrect fuel mixture readings. Higher emissions may be evident, as the engine controls are attempting to adjust for the improper readings, leading to increased pollutants. Finally, strange exhaust odors that deviate from typical exhaust smells could hint at incomplete combustion issues, requiring immediate attention. The confirmation procedure begins with starting the engine, which is essential for verifying whether the DTC P2271 will reappear under specific conditions. Once the engine is running, hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load until the radiator fan activates. This step is crucial because it helps ascertain if the cooling system is functioning correctly during heightened RPMs. Subsequently, allow the engine to enter idle mode. Observing these preliminary actions helps create a baseline for the vehicle's performance before further testing. Preparing for a subsequent test drive under specific conditions is the next critical step, as the data collected during this drive may reveal more about the functionality of the secondary HO2S. During the test drive, Specifically select either 4th or 5th gear to facilitate monitoring under typical driving conditions. It's essential to maintain engine speeds between 1,200 to 4,520 RPM for a comprehensive assessment. Continuously driving for a minimum of 30 seconds allows for ample data to be gathered regarding the behavior of the engine and the performance of the secondary HO2S. Recording an onboard snapshot during this period is crucial, as it captures the vehicle's conditions, which can later be analyzed for diagnostic insights. Additionally, monitoring the onboard diagnostics (OBD) status for DTC P2271 should be performed to validate whether the error persists after the test drive. These steps effectively help determine if the issue is intermittent or constant. Once repairs have been made, the final verification process begins by clearing the DTC from the system's memory. This step is crucial as it resets the monitoring conditions. After clearing the code, rechecking the overall system performance will indicate whether the repair was effective. Ensure that no faults remain by performing another cycle of monitoring using the HDS Honda Diagnostics system to confirm that all systems are functioning normally. A comprehensive test drive is also essential following repairs to ensure that the issue does not reoccur and that the vehicle operates correctly under regular driving conditions. This procedure helps confirm that the initial problems related to DTC P2271 have been thoroughly addressed. Preventive maintenance is a proactive approach to avoid issues related to DTC P2271 in the future. Regularly inspecting the secondary HO2S and ensuring it is functioning properly is fundamental, as wear and tear can lead to premature failures. Checking for exhaust leaks before the sensor can significantly reduce the chances of incorrect readings caused by unmetered air. Maintaining the health of the fuel system is equally important. Overdue fuel filter changes or clogged injectors can contribute to malfunctions. Additionally, ongoing wiring inspections can help prevent signal issues from fraying or damage, which could affect the sensor's performance. Lastly, closely monitoring engine performance can reveal early signs of trouble, allowing for timely preventive measures. In conclusion, DTC P2271 pertains to issues specifically with the secondary HO2S, which is essential for monitoring exhaust gas composition and ensuring optimal engine performance. It's critical to adhere closely to the troubleshooting steps outlined to accurately diagnose and repair the problem. After addressing the DTC, verifying successful repairs through detailed testing ensures that all vehicle systems are operational without faults. Implementing preventive maintenance allows for a long-term solution, minimizing the likelihood of recurrence. Continuous monitoring of the vehicle's performance will further assist in early detection and timely interventions, securing both reliability and efficiency of the Honda Civic 2022 model. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.